I bought this toolbox back in the summer, and I've added some tools to it. Came with a key. Some of the stuff came with it, some of it I added. Really old set of taps. Some dies. Just your normal size is your 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. So that's nice. Ace. Most of the stuff that came with this was Mitutoyo. So I got a depth gauge. And it's got some parts I can add to there. Another depth gauge. Depth mic. Another Mitutoyo, very nice. Got all the tools, everything I need. Got the little ratchet. A wrench, spanner wrenches in there. Nice set of parallels. Chinese parallels, but these are as good as anything. I've already used these a few times. They've been used a little bit, but nice shape. Countersinks. Or deburring tools, little edge, straight edge. This is from another guy. This didn't come with the box. That's Starrett. I don't know if you can see that. Nice. Edge finders. One of these edge finders came with this box. The other one I got from with this stuff. There's another Starrett divider. The little small ones. And then I've got the punch. These are these are for the lathe. Some carbide cutters. I've been using one of them. It's Chinese stuff. This came from another guy. Not when I bought the box, but it's brand new. I think I paid $20 for this. I don't think it's ever been used. Mitutoyo. I think I was pretty lucky to get that. I looked at that. I got sign bar. Mr. Reed, HCJ. This has been handed down. I'm probably the third or maybe even the fourth, because it wasn't Mr. Reed that I bought this from. It was another guy. So I'm probably the fourth guy that's had this sign bar. Somebody made it. It's homemade. This is a cheap Chinese tap handle. And these cutters came with my lathe. Got a couple over there by the lathe, and these I just keep in this drawer for now. Okay. This is another little Starrett I got for $20. Micrometer for... I doubt this has ever been used. It's in nice shape. And 0 to 1 inch. Still in the original packaging, the paperwork's still there. In the original box. This is cool. Standard screw gauge. And that's Starrett as well, I think. I'm looking for the Starrett name on here. Yeah. That's a Starrett. I haven't used this yet, but this is going to be really... I think this will be really handy to... Standard wire gauge. That's really cool. Okay, these tools were well used. I need to clean up the box. So there's a test indicator. It's missing some parts. I've got the little I got this piece here, but the nut is missing. And I think there's some other things that are missing in here. The spanner wrench is missing. But it's in good shape. Nothing wrong with this. The indicator, and it works fine. So this all came one package deal. Well, most of the Mitutoyo stuff. This has been well used, but still in good shape. Another 0 to 1 inch. It's made in Brazil. And it's Mitutoyo. I thought all the Mitutoyo stuff was made in Japan, but I guess some stuff is made in other parts of the world. And Tesa. I didn't own any Tesa tools, but these are very high quality. Test indicator. There's a nice feel to it, some good weight to it. And again, some of the tools are missing in here. Most of what I need's in here. There's a stylist and a little dovetail. This came with my lathe. These are kind of worn out Morse taper adapters from 3 to 4. And there's another one somebody ground. I don't know why they ground some grooves in it. And there's a holder for a cutter. Oh, and I was really glad to get this. This is really good quality stuff. Really nice shape. So a combination square with the ruler. Mitutoyo, and I can see why Mitutoyo is really desirable. It's really, really nicely made, this. So all 3 pieces in the original box, and I doubt this was used very much. It's got a little bit of rust on some spots. I tried to clean it up, but it was in a damp garage. So, but hardly noticeable, for what I'm going to do. It's great. So I was glad to get this. And then the final thing I got was this right here. Tesa again, Swiss made. This is the nicest vernier I've got. Dial gate, dial vernier, and smooth as butter. Really nice weight to it. There's the guy, Ray LeBlanc. That's who I bought it from. And I mean, this thing's beautiful. I use it all the time. I think he used it a lot too. It's got a lot of wear, but still in good shape, and pretty happy with that. I got this from an engineer retired from McDonnell Douglas. So he had this, and he had one of these. I think he had this micrometer. So you can see the two are just like new. And I don't think it was used very much at all. They had inspectors. He was an engineer, so he never inspected anything. He just had a pile of tools, I guess. Never got used. So when he left, he took these with him. They told him to take what he wanted. And then I got this other set of parallels too, Chinese. But these are really nice. I use these all the time. These are right beside the milling machine. And a plastic case for them. I bought this from a guy. I bought 2 or 3 tools from him. It was absolutely filthy when I got it. Even the styrofoam case was well used. It was I just put it right in the sink and ran warm water all over this foam here and scrubbed it and got a lot of the grime off. Still didn't come out too good, but too perfect, but much cleaner than when I got it. And this too gave this a really good wiping down. So, pretty lucky to get this. A 2-inch travel Mitutoyo dial indicator. And it's it's got some, it's a little tired, maybe a little well used, but still really functional. Nice to have. Anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't be afraid to subscribe or leave a comment. Thanks for watching.